A nice advising feature in Navigate is the use of the academic plan. If you click on a student's academic plan, it will allow you to make suggestions as to which classes they should be taking which semesters. This is going to load all of the degree requirements, and then you can click on Add Comments or Suggestions. Click Add a New Term if the one you want to suggest for doesn't already appear, and you can just drag and drop classes into here. Anything that has this arrow means that there's a choice. So if you know the student needs the co-requisite, for example, you could drag that over, or you could drag the entire thing over as more of a placeholder. And if you look down, again, you can see anything with an arrow is going to have options here. You also can put in classes that don't appear in the checklist. So for example, if you knew that this student needed high school level chemistry, you could search for it and go ahead and drag it as a suggestion for that semester. You can plan out as far as you want all the way through graduation, or you can do it just one semester. And when you're done, you'll click Send Suggestions. This will allow you to send an additional note to the student, and then when they log into Navigate, they will see any suggestions that you made, which they can accept or reject.